Hello mga dyan! Nandito po tayo ngayon sa Intramuros, Manila. So, samahan niyo po kami ni Jeremy mag-ikot po dito sa Intramuros, Manila. So, ayan. Tingnan po natin ha. Napakatirik po ng araw pero naggagagala talaga kami ni Jeremy. So, ayan. Worth it naman po ito. Ito yung mga dating Maynila, di ba? O, yan, di ba? May maraming ruins. Napakaganda lang talaga niyang tingnan, no? Tapos magbabasa ng mga history, kung anong mga nangyari dito, mga ganon. So, pagkatapos nito, yan po yung grana yan po yung, din po nag-golf yung mga students, yung mga nag-aaral mag-golf, yan, basta golf, ano yan. So, ngayon, nandito tayo ngayon sa Baluarte de San Diego. So, bago po tayo makapasok dito, meron lang pong 75 pesos na ticket for adult. Tapos, 50 pesos naman po for student. So, para meron lang po tayong kalaman tungkol dito sa Baluarte de San Diego, babasahin ko lamang po itong nakasulat sa likod ng ticket. So, designed and built by Jesuit priest Antonio Cedeño from 1586 to 1587. It is one of the oldest stone fortifications in Intramuros. Began as a circular fort called Nuestra Señora de Guea. Renovated in 1593 to join the walls of the city. Fort fell in despair, and in 1644 construction began for a new baluarte, which was completed between 1653 and 1663. Resembling an ace of spades, it housed a foundry during the 18th century. The baluarte was breached by the British forces with cannon fire in 1762. Restored and strengthened after the British occupation but was damaged during the earthquake of 1863. It was then condemned by the Spaniards. So it was totally destroyed during the Battle of Manila in 1945 and restoration done from 1979 to 1992. So ayan, hindi pa po ako buhay ng mga nangyari itong mga to kasi 1994 po ako. Thank you for watching, guys!